ह्या वर्साचं इफी तसं पळोवचं जाल्यार फाटलीं खूब वर्सां जालो ताच्या पेक्षा एक बरो इफी जातलो म्हणजे 8 दीस उत्साहाचें वातावरण गोंयांत आसा. म्हाका दिसता एक गोवन कोंकणी फिल्म जी 7 ह्या फावटी शूट जाल्या ती एक खाशेलेपण आसा इफी खातीर. निश्चितरित्या गोंयच्या सगळ्या लोकांनी इफी एन्जॉय करची आणि इफी आमी इन फ्युचर जे फिल्म क्रिएट करतात ताच्या खातीर आमी फ्लोट केला. सगळे जे फिल्म मेकर्स प्रोड्युसर्स आणि फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीचे सगळे लोक हांगासर आयले त्यांचे समेस्त गोंयकारांच्या वतीन हांव खूप खूप स्वागत करता.
सर, यावर्षी तुम्ही मुलीला घेऊन आला तर ती काय पाहणार आणि कसं काय फिल्मचा इन्फ्लुएन्स तिच्यावर कशा प्रकारे आहे?
सो मला वाटतं की तिला फिल्म आवडतात आणि इफी पाहण्यासाठी ती इथं आलेली आहे. डेफिनेटली म्हणजे फिल्म प्रत्यक्ष वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने इम्पॅक्ट सगळ्यावरती करत असते. म्हणजे मुलावरती असेल, मोठ्यावरती असेल, फिल्म या अशा पद्धतीने चांगलं इम्प्रेशनसुद्धा आपण बघतो की फिल्ममधून ऑलवेज मोटिवेशन येतं, इम्प्रेशन राहतं आणि तशा पद्धतीचंच मोटिवेशन ऑलवेज वेगवेगळ्या फिल्ममधून सगळ्यांना मिळालेलं आहे. थँक्यू.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
This year we are celebrating the 54th year of IFFI. So and 20th year in Goa. या वर्सा मेन म्हणटा ते आमचे सिनेमेला विच इज बिसाइड्स द डेलिगेट्स आख्खे गोंयकार and everyone public general public will be able to come and enjoy the everything. There will be food stalls आमच्या महिला खातीर, आमच्या गोंयच्या महिला खातीर, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा खातीर त्यांचे थंयसरूय स्टॉल आहात. आमचे स्टार्टअप पेविलियन्स आहा म्हळ्यार खूब इंडस्ट्रीज. All the startup pavilions will be are there. There is a stage for entertainment. Everything over there. Promenade in front of ESG Promenade. All our Goans should come and experience the best of film over there. Besides that, आमचे स्क्रीनिंग ओपन एअर स्क्रीनिंग हा 3 सुवातेर हा. आमच्या मिरामार बीच, अंजुना बीच, GTDC पार्किंग आणि रवींद्र भवन मारगाव. So over there also the best of films will be screened from tomorrow from 21st to 27th. आणि आमच्या 4 जाग्याचेर स्क्रीनिंग्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट मूवीज will be there. आमच्या आयनॉक्स पोरवरी, आयनॉक्स पेंजिम, अशोक थिएटर and सम्राट थिएटर. I invite all the Goans. गोंया येयल्ले हा the world films are here in Goa. Please come and enjoy. Delegate passes you all can get online. www.ifigoa.org. तेजेर तुम्ही डेलिगेट म्हणून येवंक जाता. Again, all the students who are doing courses affiliated to mass communication or affiliated to films, they can come free of cost. फकत कॉलेजीन साकून एक सर्टिफिकेट हाडूंक जाय की तो भुरगो ती भुरगीं they are doing some courses affiliated to films म्हणून. So I invite all the Goans especially, please come and enjoy the best of films of the world being screened in Goa. Thank you.
No, it's been organized very nicely आणि म्हाका दिसता की ऑर्गनायझेशन डे बाय डे इम्प्रूव जायत आसा. आणि आमकां पळयतात की दिस इयर देर आर लॉट ऑफ फिल्म स्टार्स अँड सेलिब्रिटीज हू आर entertaining all the people, and definitely when we go inside we will see the best of the performance of all the celebrities.
Sir, any film in the bucket list? Any film in the bucket list to पळोवपाक जाय?
ना पळोवया आतां कितें येता तें. whichever we feel and we have time, then we will definitely go and enjoy the film festival. After all, we have to come together to organize such a beautiful occasion. 54th International Film Festival itself is a great achievement because this is a permanent venue and we are going for a film city kind of thing, and right now we are here. So Goa will be going for a film city, establishing their own film city, and that has to come now after so many years.
We are celebrating International Film Festival. This is the 54th edition. This year, Film Bazaar and Film Mela is the specialty. And today the grand inauguration, we are waiting for the grand inauguration. So Madhuri Dixit ji is going to get this year of the film personality award. That's we are all very happy that. Apart from that, every year, new things we are improving and we are introducing. So this year also we introduced box office and story picking from the novels and 75 young minds. So last year also the 75 young minds were there. This year also the 75 young minds we are identifying and we are giving a platform to them, to the international platform. And international filmmakers are coming here. Our filmmakers are coming here. One business to business platform is available this festival. We are ready to enjoy this festival. Welcome to this festival.
17 साल किसी के जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं। कोई युवा हो तो उसके लिए भी, या कोई युवा फेस्टिवल, लेकिन 17 वर्षों में IFFI की यात्रा बहुत उपलब्धियों भरी रही। It's full of achievements. If you look at the last 17 years of IFFI, it has actually become an international festival. We have seen this year close to 2,900 plus applications for the film festival, which is close to 3 times more than the last year. That clearly shows the interest in the International Film Festival of India. And I'm sure with the new inventions and innovations, new technology, especially the VFX and other sectors, where audio visuals, gaming, comics, visual effects, animation, this all is bringing a lot of post-production work to India. We are going to announce a new filmmaking policy today for the international production houses. And I'm sure it's going to be one of the best in the world. Just wait for the announcement. We have seen a lot of interest in the post-production also, in the co-production also. And today at the Film Bazaar, I've seen there are more than 1,000 participants from across the world, which clearly shows the interest is growing. And I'm sure the kind of effort which has been put in by the ministry and all the stakeholders, IFFI, with the India media and entertainment industry growing by 20% every year, and we are among the 5 largest media and entertainment economies of the world. The future is ours. The way Indian economy is going to be the 3rd largest in next 5 years, and I'm sure our media and entertainment industry is going to be among the 3rd largest entertainment industries of the world.
बस जैसे हर साल IFFI होता है, उससे ये साल में ज़्यादा इसलिए अच्छा है क्योंकि 75 टैलेंट इस देश के युवा इस देश में बहुत अद्भुत तरीके से कहीं पर छोटे से गांव में या कहीं पर हर चीज़ वो टैलेंट ढूंढने का काम सरकार ने किया है, वो बहुत ही सराहनीय है। बाकी अद्भुत फिल्में हैं, देखेंगे और जितनी हो सकती ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल सारी
आई थिंक लास्ट टाइम 17th को हुआ था या 18th में से कुछ आज एग्जैक्टली 1 साल हो गया है, वापस गोवा आ रहे हैं। नॉर्मली ऐसे कपड़े पहन के गोवा नहीं आते हैं लोग बहुत कम कपड़े पहन के गोवा आते हैं लोग। सो या बट इट्स फनी टू
लेकिन ये कॉन्सेप्ट रॉन्ग है सर,
बट
कॉन्सेप्ट रॉन्ग है सर, बहुत कम कपड़े पहनना गोवा में कॉन्सेप्ट रॉन्ग चला है।
गोवा नॉर्मली लोग शॉर्ट्स में रहते हैं ना, शॉर्ट्स टी शर्ट्स वगैरह में रहते हैं, चप्पल में बहुत
अपार शक्ति बहन के अपार शक्ति
I'm an absolute regular and I love coming to the inaugural and staying back and watching movies. IFFI is such an important movement for us when it comes to Indian cinema. We are here actually for a very, very special film. We are here to launch the Amazon original Ae Watan Mere Watan, led by Sara Ali Khan, directed by Karan Iyer. And we're very, very excited about this story. It's inspired by true events and it tells the very brave story of a girl from basically being a college girl in Mumbai to a freedom fighter. And we're vastly excited about it coming early next year.
The minister has allotted given so many good news for an industry. So what do you have to say on that?
We are eternally grateful to the Honourable Minister, Shri Anurag Thakurji, for always being such a cheerleader for our industry. He constantly puts film forward before anything else, and the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has always said that we are a tremendous soft power and we should be self-aware and know that we can make a big impact in the world.
One of my favorite cities. Very happy to be at IFFI. It's such a prestigious function, and yeah, really excited to perform.
Sir, this side, sir.
पूछ ले बेटा, कुछ मेरे पास भी आ जाओ, कुछ पूछ तो। जी,
सर ये लुक जो रखा भी आपने वो क्या आपने किसी प्रोजेक्ट
ये मेरी नई फिल्म के लिए है, उसका नाम है देवा। We just started shooting it. It's going to come out next year on Dussehra, on 11th August, and yeah, so this is basically for that.
Shahid, you acted in a film also and OTT also. So this your OTT, the debut of yours has been very appreciated by the
Thank you
audience.
so much.
And this year, IFFI has also opened up with an OTT account. What do you have to say about it?
मैम, मेरे काम को दर्शक पसंद करें, प्यार दें, चाहे वो फर्जी हो या ब्लडी डैडी हो। बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिला इस साल। फर्जी has done beyond my expectations. It's been the most watched show ever. I don't think anybody can expect that. So बहुत ही हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्व की बात थी। And Bloody Daddy is the most watched film this year. So OTT पे I think I have landed safely. I'm feeling very happy, very thankful. क्योंकि जनता जनता होती है, ऑडियंस ऑडियंस होती है। आप जब भी कुछ करते हैं, जब तक आपको उनका प्यार, उनकी खुशी नहीं महसूस होती, तो अंदर से आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता। तो मुझे महसूस हुई है इस साल। So the year has been very very nice for me. Next year I will only have theatrical releases. So this year was more OTT. अगले साल मेरी 2 फिल्में आएंगी, एक फरवरी में आएगी और एक अगस्त में आएगी।
The first time I came here was like years ago, I think 15 years ago. And I performed at the opening ceremony in that year. Been following it and it's amazing, and I think we need more of our film festivals in India because there's so many films that we make in different languages. It's a great platform to actually witness films from around the world. Yeah, to be performing here, to be part of this festival, and just to be part of cinema, I'm very grateful and very grateful to be here.
You are one of the actors who had performed with all the superstars. When you accept those roles, so what goes into your mind?
Every role is important, every role
तुम पाहतात गोवा न्यूज हब.